My name's Tom Nietzsche. I'm the president of Ramp Manufacturing Group in Waterloo, and I'm a Conestoga graduate from the Tool and Die Apprenticeship Program.
My name's Mike Sobalski. I am a graduate of Conestoga.
I graduated from the Mechanical Engineering Technology Robotics and Automation program.
I'm Linda Clark. I am a graduate from the Human Resources Management postgraduate program at Conestoga.
On a daily basis, I'm involved with engineering reviews and technical reviews with the entire team. So I get to work with all the trades and controls individuals.
Business development is one of my favorite things to do at Ramp. So I'm constantly looking at different markets and different technologies.
We service our customers through incremental machine improvements or system improvements or turnkey automation systems.
I'm a controls systems designer at Ramp. What that basically means is I program, automation, and robotics. Ramp is an awesome place to work. I get along with everybody that works here. On a day-to-day basis, everything kind of changes. I can be at my desk, or I can be out on the shop floor working with a robot with the PLC. I've worked on automotive projects and also consumer products, everything ranging from luxury aluminum suitcases to solar panels.
Out of the 34 employees that we have here, 41% of us are graduates from Conestoga. Apprentices, we have skilled trades, we have all of our managers, and even the president has graduated from Conestoga.
We do continuous learning through Conestoga as well. So as I said, Ramp can be simply described as a training ground, and Conestoga is a huge element of that. I'm very, very impressed of how they're keeping their facilities and the investments going to make them a world-class school.
That was a huge bonus, was the fact that we got to actually do it instead of just reading about it in a book.
Conestoga is pivotal in the success and our growth of our business at Ramp. It continues to be a great source of people for us. People with the skill sets that we need to help us grow our business.
I don't think a day goes by that we're not connected with Conestoga, from either the professional advisory committees that some of our employees work with, and through the apprenticeship programs, through the co-op programs.
We'll kind of take them under our wing a little bit to kind of teach them what we've learned so far, how we can relate it back to what we learned in school as well.
Within 2 months of my co-op, I was hired on full-time with my employer, and Conestoga really helped me with that. A lot of the projects were very hands-on. They were very realistic for things that we were doing in the workforce.
We find that Conestoga graduates are well prepared to step into our ring. There's so many good jobs that exist. We have a steep shortage of skilled trades, which Conestoga helps us develop.
The great thing about the college system in Canada, and Conestoga in particular, is the vast array of programs. It's your most direct approach to getting to that workplace as quickly as possible with a meaningful and fulfilling program of study. So if that's your interest in life, pick a program, enroll, and it'll be the best decision you've ever made.